Fam, welcome back squad for another video on the channel. We're getting active today, getting straight to it. Just watched the cars y'all see. We're gonna go take the Mazda, or I should say the Mazda wheels, the passenger wheel, maybe the spare wheel, haven't decided. One of those two I'm gonna take it to get the curb rash fucking fixed on them, because when I bought them they're beat. Yeah, I'm kind of tired of looking at my one wheel beat on my car, so try to get that fixed. Hopefully they respray. If not, I'm just gonna respray with some black fucking paint. Fuck it, but yeah, ain't no show car around here. Alright squad, first things first. Gotta figure out which wheel I'm gonna do. I think it's the one on the car though, because my other spare wheel is pretty thrashed and probably needs a whole respray. But coming to this wheel, as you can see, I have the curb rash here and all along this bottom side, which I don't like seeing. You know what I'm saying? So now here's the other spare wheel I have. I mean, pretty fucking beat. Also has minor curb rash, but this definitely needs a for sure respray. You can even see it when the sun hits on it. Yeah. So coming to this other rim over here, you have a bunch of the Evo X wheels. This is actually the one I fucked. If you're watching one of my previous vlogs, try to find, I'll pop it in here. But anyways, hit something, destroyed this wheel. It doesn't even roll straight anymore. But this is the one I had on the car, flawless. But didn't have a hubcap. These other ones have hubcaps. Technically an Evo now. If you know, you know. Alright, just got the wheel off. Coming around to this fucking coil over there. I'll off my fucking car at any time of this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and go drop this wheel off before it gets any later. So, you heard, I'm out. Got an Uber for Bosef. Fucking fast, dog. Fuck. I'm all horneado all over your fucking car right now.
Can I help?
Yeah.
Dude, are you serious? Don't record my mess.
God damn it, are you fucking with me?
What's mess? Anyways, we back at it.
Hey. Yes. Can I help you?
Y'all hear it? Ah. Relax.
You know I got it. If you wanna come get it, stand next to this money like hey, hey, hey.
Hey, man, niggas seeing me, I'm young money, CMB. I used to roll with CMG. The house is not a B&B. The bad bitches waiting on a nigga like I'm P&D. I'm steady pushing P. Niggas pushing P. I see you on my radar, don't you?
Guys, Sam's getting all horny. Oh my. That super don't want none of that shit.
He doesn't, that's why he's turning.
He don't want none of your sauce.
Go for it.
That would be literally 2 gears, he'd be gone. She's getting all horneado over her fucking speed right now. This shit was popping and banging the whole way back on the freeway.
No, it wasn't. Stop lying.
Yeah, it was. I'm sad. My wheel is not finished. They gave me blue balls. They said it'd be done by 5 p.m. What the fuck is that thing? What the fuck is that thing? What the fuck? Fuck. You don't want the smoke, though? Look at this little... Oh, it's chingon, homie! What the fuck is he smoking? A little roach?
What?
Oh! Sick ass, verga! If I hit a blessing real quick, I'd hit a prayer here.
Yeah, película!
It's a película today. It's a película.
Ya mi tiempo llegó. Le doy gracias a Dios.
That's funny.
Anyway.
I'm waiting for him to pull up. Nah, he ain't gonna come. Anyways.
Oh, I thought that was him.
Anyways, back to it. Yeah, they're not gonna finish my wheel till tomorrow, probably afternoon, 1 or 2. So, guess I'm gonna catch up with you guys mañana.
Look what's
You're about
flexing
to get
next to
run
you.
over.
I don't give a fuck if they run me over.
Look at the flick.
For real. So fuck. He knows what he's doing. Thumbnail. Anyways, back to it, guys. We got the speed here.
Hell, look at the back.
That shit's pristine and it's thick. What's up with that? That's you, fool. That range, Frankie Kodak.
And we are back. We are live next day. Y'all seen it, just came from a nice little early morning breakfast, but I am now on the way to pick up my rim. Jesus, a little 5L moving. I think it's an EcoBoost. Hopefully my mic's still alive. I don't know. Oh, it's green. We're good. I'm gonna go pick up my rim. Homie said it was done. They didn't finish it yesterday, sadly, but I called today and it's done. So I'm gonna go get it because I need a wheel. Yeah, we'll see how it looks. Fucking Juan Yarbo over this fucking wheel. Hey, you gotta watch turbo though.
Hey, watch out.
Oh, like nothing ever happened. We out. Got a whole setup. God damn, boy.
I'm gonna be in this video. Yeah, you think he's fast as fuck?
That shit's tight. There she is. Can't even tell anything ever happened. Whole new lip. Fucking off feed me. 3. Yes, we are back in the speed. Currently me and K-By Sam are slamming up the mountain right now to try to get some shots for Instagram, some reels, just some content in general. But yeah, got the 360 cam as y'all can tell. But catch up with you guys when we get to the spot. I'm out. I'm only letting you do this once. If you don't hit me, that's on you. Oh my god, okay. Oh, you fucking missed. You missed. Grab another one. It's brick out here. What are we thinking? Ow!
That's that big ass rock.
This is a nice view. Something you don't see every day. Getting the flicks. This camera doesn't want to focus. Pardon me, por favors. Oh, no, that's not what.
I mean that shit. I'm with that bitch. That bitch. Right now, I ain't that bitch. Old friends like how you get that lit. Same old me, but they think I switched. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit. Tryna think I but don't know what to say.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a pool in the gate. Check the rear before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when he's nuts all up in her face. She say wow, never met a nigga with dick in her eyes.